Lydia and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you this really cool recipe for peanut butter fudge bars. So they're covered in chocolate right now. Hey guys, I'm Lydia and welcome back to my channel. So on this channel we do all things baking and pastry arts exclusively because that's just what I like to do. So today's video is going to be strictly about these beautiful peanut butter fudge bars. Okay, they're really good, they're really amazing. You really need to try this recipe, okay? The recipe will be linked down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out and make sure you hit that red subscribe bell just so you can stay tuned for any time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you this really cool recipe for peanut butter fudge bars. Let's get right into it, okay? So we have 2 packets of cookie mix. We have a chocolate chip and then we have our peanut butter, and then we have 2 bowls. I have an egg in each, which I'm going to crack right now. Okay, so I got my eggs in the bowl. We're gonna put the cookie mixes, 1 in each own bowl, because we're gonna make these separate and then combine them. Okay, so I got that in. Probably should use the bigger one for this one. But it's alright, we're gonna make it work. These are gonna be dairy-free options because, of course, if you haven't followed my channel already and you don't know, my son is dairy-free, well, has a dairy allergy, okay? So we're making these with almond milk instead of regular milk, and then we're gonna use oil instead of butter, okay? Got me? Got me. Alright, so let's go right now. Do 1 tablespoon for peanut butter. And then 2 tablespoons, ooh, that was a little more, for our cookie. And then for our oil, we're gonna go in with our peanut butter and do 3 tablespoons of that. 1, 2, 3. This one we're gonna do 1/4 cup. Let me grab that measuring cup. I'm gonna put that right in. Now that I have these in, I have my utensils for both. We're just gonna mix these up real quick. Done. So on to the next. Yeah, that should have been a bigger bowl. We're gonna make it work because I'm not making another dish. I refuse. Ooh, and it smells so good. That do smell like peanut butter, I ain't gonna lie. So our mixes are mixed. We're going to spoon these in to this 13x9 pan, okay? And I'm gonna use my ice cream scoop. This is usually what I use for my cupcakes, guys. And I'm just gonna plop it in different spots. Like, that makes sense. I might alternate it a bit. Can I do that? so I got those spooned in. Actually, move it down. So our peanut butter fudge bars are out the oven. Look at them. Okay, so they're covered in chocolate right now. I did not film kind of a front view of me putting the chocolate chips and the peanut butter icing on top, just because I had a lot of people coming in and out the house. And it was just too much noise, and this is my microphone camera. So I did a voiceover on that. What I should have told you was, after you let the chocolate chips sit, I was supposed to swirl, and I didn't, because it was supposed to be like melted chocolate. So now we just have a whole lot of chocolate chips sitting on top, which I'm not mad about. But you can experience this baking fail with me. Still the right ingredients, so I don't know if it'll be counted as a baking fail. I guess baking presentation fail. I don't know. But I'ma just cut me one right now. I love the end piece. I don't know about you guys, but I love an end. I just like the crunch. So you see the chocolate chips hanging off, falling off. This is what I mean when I'm talking about the chocolate chips. Like, they're still kind of melted. You can see it. I should have swirled it in. I didn't. Oh, biggest regret. But whatever. Let's try it. That's good. And you get the taste of it, guys. Like the piece I just bit, I don't know if you can see, but this is peanut butter and this is like chocolate chip. So the piece I bit right here on the end was both, and you get like both. It's so good. I'm gonna eat this. I don't know, my baby gonna have some. Now guys, like I said, I made this recipe dairy free, but you can always just add milk to it and replace the almond milk with regular milk, and that would make it, you know, with dairy. But definitely check this out. Please make sure you check out all my other cookie bars, or how would you say, healthy, non-healthy bar kind of recipes. Okay, if you want me to make a playlist of those, because I love making just bars. I eat them for breakfast, and they're just like a quick snack for me throughout the day. So if you want me to make a playlist of these, just make sure you leave me a comment down below. Let me know. But check out my other recipes, and I'll see you next time, guys.